Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can add products to Wix website. First thing you need to do, guys, you wanna just open your Wix account. Okay, that's what I'm going to do right now. You can add your own product, you can add digital products, you can add physical products. I'm gonna be showing you how you can do that in a few seconds. First thing you need to do, guys, you wanna open just click on like Wix site here in the top left. As you can see, you can find here, I named it Make Money Online, but for you will find their site or list site or something like that. After that, you want to click on Go to All My Sites. Now you want to find which site you want to add products to. So because I only have one site, as you can see here, but if you have multiple sites, you will find them here. Now you want to find the site that you want to add products to, and then click Select and Edit Site. Now, second thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on Edit Site in the top right. Okay, now you just need to wait a few seconds for the site to open. Okay, as you can see, it's loading right now. It says here preparing your site. Okay, now we have opened the site that we want to add products to. Now what you guys need to do now, you want to click on plus in the top left here, this plus button, and you want to search here where it says search. You want to search for store. Okay, this is very simple, guys. Just search for store and it will show you guys a bunch of options here. Now what you guys need to do, you want to add an app. It's free, you don't really have to pay for anything. It's a Wix app. Okay, it came from Wix. So it says here Wix stores. Okay, you just need to click on open. As you can see, if you look down apps for your site, you want to click on open. All right, now you want to click on add to site. Okay, and after you click, guys, on add to site, this app is going to be installed right now. As you can see, it says here adding Wix stores. Okay, now you will find it will give you guys a bunch of templates that you can, a bunch of products. Okay, just like as an example, that's how it's going to look like after you add the products to your site. I'm going to explain this in a few seconds to you. This is really easy, guys. Just wait for the app to be installed on our Wix website, and then I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can add products to your Wix website. Like I said, you can add physical products, digital products. You can add almost any product you want. Okay, so as you can see here, guys, it says here add your first product. Okay, now what you guys need to do now is you just need to, as you can see here, just close this, and as you can see, you will find all these products that are not yours. Like you haven't listed these products on your Wix, but this is just an example. Okay, now if you click on one of these, you want to click on manage. As you can see, let me show you what I mean, guys. Exactly, you want to click on manage products. Okay, now after you click, guys, on manage products, you want to delete all these products because you don't want these in your Wix site. Okay, you haven't listed these. Now you need to list your own product. It could be physical or digital. Now when I click on more actions, like I said, you want to select all these products and click on more actions. Click on okay, I'm sorry, you want to click on more actions here, not the one in the top. More actions here, and then you want to click on delete. Click again on delete, and now you have deleted all the products that are fake products that are in your site. Now you need to add your own real product right now. Just click on new product, and then you can either select digital file or physical product. Now I'm going to go with physical one. Now you can start adding picture if you want to add and the title of the product. You can add the title of the product here. As you can see, the title of the product, it could be, for example, makeup. Okay, product for young girls, which is just an example. And then here, add images. You want to click on add images, and I'm going to add this image as an example. It's not really, it has nothing to do with makeup, but I don't have any image related to makeup. Now we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and it says here name. Okay, this is the name of the product, and as you can see here, guys, the description, you want to type here the description. You can also copy the description from other websites if you want. So I'm just going to say this is a good product and cheap. Okay, this is just an example. You have to type a very long description. You have to explain what this product is about. Now scroll down a little bit, and here you want to add the price of the physical product. So I'm going to add 200 dirhams, which is $20 in dollar currency. Click select on sell, and if you want, you can add a discount here if you want that. If you don't want, just don't. Okay, the cost of goods, how much money you are paying for the goods. Okay, how much money you are paying. Okay, now for example, I'm paying 150. Now the margin or the profit margin is going to be 25%. As you can see, it just gives you guys how much you are going to make after you sell this item. Because you are paying 150 and you're selling it for 200, you are going to make 25% the profit margin. Okay, you can also add the custom text if you want. Allow customers to personalize this product with a custom text field. Product options, in stock. Yeah, you can do a lot of things here. As you can see, it says here in stock. Shipping weight, you can add here the shipping weight if you know it. Okay, into the shipping weight like 0.9. Just scroll down and click on save. After, guys, you click on save, this product was saved and it's now available on your Wix site. Now if you click on this I button here, you will be able to, yeah, just don't click it. Okay, hide from online site. You don't need to hide it. Okay, now what you guys need to do right now is you just need to remove this. Okay, you can also open this site if you can open this product, I'm sorry, if you want. As you can see, you can also edit something if you made a mistake. And after you finish, you want to click on save and click on this X. Now this product exactly is going to be on your as you can see, this is the product. Okay, this is the product that we have imported to our Wix site. Now if someone clicks on this product and they purchase the product, then you will have to ship the product but you have to add the payment method to your Wix if you haven't done that already. I made a video specifically about how you can add payment methods so that you can start receiving payments. Just click the video in the screen and drop a like, and see you guys in the next video. Okay, have a good day. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. See you guys next video.